Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a study abroad community with friends abroad step by step clearly. Building a study abroad community with friends abroad can be a rewarding experience. Start by identifying your goals for studying abroad. Consider what you hope to gain from the experience. Research the country and university you will be attending. Familiarize yourself with local culture and customs. Reach out to previous students who have studied there. Join online forums and social media groups related to your destination. Connect with fellow students before arriving. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp to start conversations. Ask questions about their experiences and recommendations. Once you arrive, participate in orientation events. These are excellent opportunities to meet other international students. Engage with local clubs and organizations at your university. This can help you make friends and integrate into the community. Attend cultural events and activities hosted by the university. Connecting with locals can significantly enrich your experience. Organize study groups with your classmates. This will not only help academically but also forge stronger friendships. Plan outings or social gatherings with your new friends. Exploring your new environment together can create lasting memories. Stay connected with your friends back home through regular updates. Share your experiences and photos to keep them engaged. Consider creating a group chat with friends both abroad and at home. Use this space to share tips, experiences, and support one another. Participate in volunteer opportunities to expand your network. Volunteering can introduce you to like-minded individuals. Be open to new experiences and friendships. Flexibility can lead to unexpected bonds and connections. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.